the back here, your tour guide for Madhya Pradesh. We are at Ujjain and currently we are setting off for Mahakal temple of Ujjain. So let me show you around. First we are at Harshi Mata temple. It is the first of the series of temples for the Mahakal temple. So let's go here. We have entered the temple premises. So here is the place where you have to keep your shoes. So let's go around the temple for a bit.
লাড্ডুটা তুলে খাচ্ছে
Photography is prohibited inside the temple itself. So this is the outer part of the temple basically. In these two pillars, in the evenings, we light Pradip. So these are all the temple premises. Now there is another temple that is called Sri Kantakeshwar Mahadev.
মা নন্দীকে নমস্কার করা আগে দেখেন হিন্দিতে বলো হিন্দি
Lastly, this is the Ganesh Mandir. See Raja Vikramaditya's tree. The tree on which the story of Vikram and Betal is based. So we have stepped on the bridge. So this is basically the crown of Raja Vikramaditya and the tree of Raja Vikramaditya, that is the story of Vikram and Betal is based on which. It is actually 4 kilometers ahead from this place. But here we are at the crown. At this throne of Raja Vikramaditya.
বেতার নেই এখন বেতার কোথায় গেছে বাবাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করে বাবার একটা তুলে দাও বাবা এসো আমাদের সাথে বাবা এসো বাবু তুই আর তুই পিছনে মুখের সঙ্গে বাবা দাদু
Now I have to keep the mobiles. When we visit the corridors in the evening, then I can shoot the rest, okay? So get ready for part 2 in the evening. So part 2 of our journey starts in the evening. That is, we are at Kal Bhairav temple of Ujjain. So let's go. কাউকে দাও তবে তো উঠবে এখন
अब चलेगी ना वो दिए जलेंगे उसमें बगल में है ना दिख रहा है क्योंकि चला रहा है वो ऐसे ही पड़े हैं सब ठीक है
So we are now at Mangalnath temple, an auspicious temple here. So let me show you around. So since it is night time, the temple premises is very quiet and calm and not crowded at all. So let's go. So we are at the Mahakaleshwar temple corridor. So let me show you around. It is a beautiful sight. We are on the bridge of lights. The Mahakaleshwar temple can be seen from here also. And
আমরা ঢুকেছিলাম ওই আমরা করিডোর দিয়ে ঢুকে এটা তো মেন গেট ভাগ আছে 1 নম্বর 2 নম্বর 3 নম্বর 4 নম্বর
still walking through the corridor of Mahakaleshwar temple after passing through the series of golden statues, monuments, and all the adorned things. We are now reaching towards the end of the corridor. The series of golden inscriptions and everything, the pillars, everything makes it a really wonderful place here. So lastly we have the Saptarishi monuments, the golden inscriptions. It's so beautiful.
আচ্ছা আমাদের কি ওইটা দিয়ে যেতে হবে না এইটা দিয়ে যেতে হবে গিয়ে আবার ডান দিকে যেতে হবে ফুড জোনে কিছু খাবার কিনে দেবো নাকি?
फिर
Overall, this was a wonderful place to visit, and our tour for today will come to an end here. So, with the end of this golden route, we come to the end of day 2 Ujjain. So, see you all tomorrow for day 3. Stay tuned.